Hello friends, and welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out this CamDUCK Hidden Spy Camera charger. This is pretty cool. Alright, so it looks just like a normal little charging device here. Plugs into the wall, and it's going to have a USB-C, two USB-A's, and 4 outlets there. So expand your outlet, and also have a little camera in there that you can monitor stuff that's going on if you're not at home or what have you. So let's set this up real quick, plug it in, and show you guys how it works, shall we? Okay, well that was easy. Just set it up on the app. Just scan a little QR code on here. Open up the app, connect it to the little thing. I have it plugged in the wall right there, and you can see, let me just flip this over to full screen here. There it is right there. There's the back of my chair. There's my little hand waving around right here. So pretty good quality on the camera there. I can monitor sound too if I want to. I believe I could put an SD card in the top. Little top portion there has an SD card place we could put in, format the card, stick it in there. You could save videos onto there, pull it off there. You could view this remotely, just hook up to the Wi-Fi as far as I know. And yeah, really good quality there on the video. Super easy to set up. Functioning as a extension too, so I can plug in. Not only is it a cool little camera, but it's also very functional too, as it has multiple plugins available. So great little device here, super handy. Even if it didn't have a camera on there, having the 2 USBs and the USB-C on there, as well as the 4 plugins, just maximizes your space there. So really cool, and the fact that it has a nice little camera on there as well, just in case you need that to monitor what's going on and whatever your situation is. Pretty sweet device here, my friends. Okay, so also underneath here we have our little pick here that opens the top of the device so we can access the SD card, and then a little micro USB card reader here as well. Lots of cool stuff, my friends. All right, so all in all, super handy device here. This longer screw, if this fits really securely into my wall socket, but if you need to, you can just put this screw into there and screw it in so it's secure to the socket. It's not going to come out. So that is really cool. When it's plugged in the wall too, you can also just set your phone on top like this, charge it like that, so it's kind of out of the way. Not wirelessly, but you just plug your cord into here and then plug it in your phone, and then you can just set it up on top like that. So that's cool. A lot of nice features. Like I said, it's compact, has those USB slots in there as well. So like even if you're not going to use it for a camera, just a nice little addition to being able to charge multiple devices and things like that. So a great little camera, great little plug-in, great charger. Thanks for watching this video, my friends. Hope it was helpful. Have a great day out there, and I'll see y'all next time. Oh yeah, setup on this was super easy. It took me literally a few seconds, like a minute, and connected to everything. We'll just kind of walk you through it real quick, and it was super easy.